Imagine this. A client messages you on the Fiverr or Upwork and says, I need a social media post designed for my business. But instead of spending hours thinking about ideas, writing text, and designing from zero, you open ChatGPT, then you open Canva, and in less than 30 minutes, you deliver a complete professional project to your client. Script written, design created, content ready to publish. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how I complete a real client-style project using only two tools, ChatGPT and Canva. From idea, script, design, and final delivery. No design experience needed, no expensive tools, just AI plus smart workflow. Let's start from zero. Every project starts with a client brief. Let's say a client sends this message. Hi, I run a fitness coaching business and need an Instagram post to promote my online workout program. The goal is simple. Create a high converting Instagram promotional post. But instead of guessing what to design, we let ChatGPT break the project down. So we asked ChatGPT, act like a social media strategist, create a promotional Instagram post concept for a fitness coaching program. Within seconds, ChatGPT gives headline ideas, caption ideas, content structure, call to action. This instantly saves hours of brainstorming. Now we have the creative direction. Next step, turn this idea into actual content. Now we ask ChatGPT to write the content. Prompt example, write an Instagram promotional caption for a fitness coaching program targeting beginners who want to lose weight. Within seconds, ChatGPT generates a powerful headline, a persuasive caption, and a clear call to action. Example headline, transform your body in 30 days. Example caption, struggling to stay consistent with workouts? Our beginner-friendly online coaching program helps you build strength, lose weight, and stay motivated. Now we already have client-ready content, but great content also needs great design. So now we move to Canva. This is where the content becomes visual design. Open Canva and search for Instagram post template. Canva gives thousands of templates. Instead of designing from scratch, we simply choose a professional layout. Look for clean typography, high contrast colors, clear visual hierarchy. For a fitness brand, a strong option could be bold fonts, energetic colors, workout imagery. Once we pick a template, we start customizing it. Now we add the content. Replace the template headline with our ChatGPT headline, transform your body in 30 days. Next, add the caption or key message. Then add a call to action button like join now or start your fitness journey. We also adjust font size, colors, spacing. The goal is to make the design clean, readable, professional. And in just a few minutes, we already have a client-ready design. Now we improve the design with visual elements. In Canva, search for fitness photos, workout icons, energy shapes. We add a workout image, subtle background elements, a motivational icon. These small details make the design feel professional and premium. And remember, good design is simple. Too many elements can make it messy. So keep it clean and focused. Before delivering the project, we go back to ChatGPT one more time. Why? To improve the caption for engagement. Prompt, rewrite this caption to increase Instagram engagement. ChatGPT now adds emotional hooks, shorter sentences, stronger call to action. Now the caption becomes more scroll stopping. This small step can dramatically increase likes, saves, and conversions. The design is finished by this time. In Canva, click, share, and go to download. Choose format PNG for social media, high resolution, and export the final design. Now we have a professional social media graphic ready for delivery. What started as a simple client message has now become a complete finished project. Here comes the final step, client delivery. If you are working on Fiverr or Upwork, you simply send the design file and the caption text. You can also include hashtag suggestions, posting recommendations, content variations. This makes you look professional and valuable, and the client is more likely to leave a 5-star review, order again, or request more designs. And that's the power of combining ChatGPT and Canva. You don't need expensive software. You don't need years of design experience. You just need a smart workflow. ChatGPT handles ideas, writing, marketing copy, and Canva handles design, templates, and visual creativity. Together, they allow anyone to create client-ready projects fast. And this exact workflow can be used for Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, ads, presentations, marketing graphics. The opportunity is huge and the tools are already available. The only question is, will you start them today? So friends, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel AI Tool Studio, and share this video to your friends who are looking for freelancing work with the help of ChatGPT and Canva only. Thank you.